Hey there, Tereza here, and welcome back to English Vibes TV, where we share stories that help you feel more confident learning English, one real and emotional story at a time. Today's story is about Emma, a woman in her 30s who thought she had her life finally under control until life gave her a completely unexpected surprise. Let me tell you what happened to her because it could happen to anyone. Emma was 30, a psychologist living in Boston, focused, calm, building her career. Love? It wasn't on her radar until she met Ellen. Ellen was 70, a retired philosophy professor, deep thinker, gentle soul. They met at a university event. Emma was there helping with the organization. Ellen was the guest speaker. They talked a lot. Coffee turned into dinners. Dinners turned into plans. The age gap surprised people, but not Emma, not Ellen. 6 months later, they moved in together. A year later, Noah was born, their first child. Emma, at 31, became a mom for the first time. Ellen, at 71, became a dad again. It wasn't easy. The nights were long, the diapers were endless, but they managed. Emma slowly returned to her online therapy sessions when Noah was around 4 months old. Ellen helped at home, took care of Noah, and gave the occasional online philosophy lecture. It was chaotic, beautiful, exhausting, and real. Slowly, they felt like they had found their rhythm. Until a Tuesday morning, Emma felt dizzy. Her best friend joked, "You are not pregnant again, are you?" Emma laughed. No way! But she was. Not just pregnant, 6 months along. How? The doctor explained. With breastfeeding, no cycle, sleep deprivation, it happens. Rare? Yes. Impossible? Clearly not. Emma was shocked. She cried in the car. Not because she didn't want another baby, but because she was just starting to breathe again. She told Ellen that night. He held her hand and said, "We've done it once. We'll do it again. This time, together, 100%. That's when they decided. No work this time. They dipped into their savings and planned 6 full months of being totally offline, both of them. When baby Olivia arrived, they were ready. Tired? Yes. Overwhelmed? Of course. But this time, present. Emma paused her practice completely. Ellen stopped teaching. For 6 months, they were just mom, dad, Noah, and baby Olivia. After that, Emma gradually returned to online therapy sessions. Ellen picked up his online lectures again. They didn't have all the answers. They didn't always sleep, but they showed up for each other, for their kids. 2 babies under 2, 2 careers on hold, 2 people doing the best together. Emma's story isn't typical, but maybe that's what makes it so special. Falling in love at 30 with someone 40 years older, having one baby, then another without even realizing it, and still choosing to be present, choosing each other, choosing their family. Parenthood doesn't follow a script, and love doesn't care about timelines. So, could this happen to someone you know? This story is fiction, but it feels real, doesn't it? Maybe because it could be. If it touched your heart, like this video and leave a comment. Would you be open to love with a big age gap? Could you drop everything to be fully present for your kids? Don't forget to subscribe to English Vibes TV for more English learning stories that make you feel, reflect, and grow. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!